These are instructions in order to pull your energy consumption data from FPL if you are an FPL customer. You'll go to fpl.com and you will log in with your email address / username and your password. If you do not have a username and password, you'll click register over here, and you can register based on information that's on your paper bill. Once you get logged in, we want to scroll down and we want to visit Energy Dashboard. This energy consumption is in dollars per month. We want to see the kilowatt usage so we can prepare the custom solar proposal. So you want to change the usage in dollar to usage in kilowatt hours. And then you could take a photo of this screen and send it in to us, or you can print this out and email it. And this will be the 12 months previous 12 months of energy consumption in order for us to accurately propose a custom solar system for your home.